the leader. As their proficiency improves, they move. Another formation shows C2. See they form a feathered arrow shape. Back in the 60s, they decided a feathered arrow was a mouthful to say on the radio, so we call this formation Fed. Ladies and gentlemen, that's the end of the first half of the Red Irish display. So far you've seen all 8 aircraft performing close formation aerobatics. Reds 1, 2, 4, 8, 9, full up in Phoenix. Keep your eyes on the blue smoke with the synchro pair beneath.
We've got 2 blue now.
This is the Palm Split. Side is Red 6, he's the leader of the synchro pair. Flight Lieutenant James McMillan. It's James's 3rd and final year with the team. He actually was in New Zealand. Now going to
How do you work hard to count
to fly the Cyclone.
What do you do? You need to work hard to do it.
V-shape. Now look to your right. There's a lone jet. His smoke comes on. Red 9, he's going to fly the goose. Climbing simply with the red, white and blue stripe is Red 9. He's Flight Lieutenant Mike Child, and he's another 3rd-year pilot with the team. He's a former mock instructor and at right 45, Enid are drawing a red, white and blue snake-like shape of smoke in the sky as they fly the Python.
Far right of that league's benefit shape is Red 4. He's Flight Lieutenant Ollie Palm, and Ollie is a 2nd-year pilot with the team. He's a former Tornado GR4 pilot, but he has spent a tour just down the road at Royal Air Force Valley on Anglesey, where we train our advanced flying students using the Hawk. Now bring your eyes to the left-hand side for Jippo. Red 6 and 7 now roll upside down. This is the corkscrew. Red 6 working hard, flying his jet only 8 feet away from Red 7, but doing it while he's upside down. Now look left to find Enid. Red 2 now rolls around. Red 4, they'll then match in the rollbacks.
Bravo.
He finished their rollbacks. Keep your eyes looking to the right, you'll eventually see the 4 headlights of Jippo. Once again, red 6 and 7 roll upside down. Now 8 and 9 will match their formation underneath. Keep looking right for the mirror pass. Now everybody, let's give the synchro pair a wave as they fly past upside down. Red 6 gives the command for the formation to widen into a 4-ship square card formation. Now look right, 45 degrees. Reds 1, 2 and 4 form a 3-ship Vic formation. And here goes red 5, who's going to roll around them a dozen times. This is the Twister! Getting very dizzy with the red smoke on is red 5. He's Flight Lieutenant Steve Morris, and he's a second-year pilot with the Red Arrows. He is a former Hawk instructor, and operationally has flown both the Harrier GR9 and the Tornado GR4. Now look directly to the front for Jippo. Cameras ready, reds 8 and 9 pitch up to roll around 6 and 7. They then roll before they split in the Jippo break. With his smoke changing from blue to white on the right hand side is red 7. He's synchro number 2, Flight Lieutenant Mark Lawson. Mark is in his second year with the team, and his background is solely on the Tornado GR4, where he spent 3 tours. He flew over Iraq, Afghanistan and Libya and became a qualified weapons instructor. With a synchro pair now descend for their final manoeuvre on the display. These are the double rolls. Ladies and gentlemen, please, can I have a huge round of applause for the synchro pair? Now look directly ahead, you'll see Enid are being joined by Reds 8 and 9 for the display's finale.
He has to know where all these people are.
The white smoke's on comes the coloured smoke. Get your cameras ready in a 6-ship Vixen formation. This is the Vixen break. With the Royal Air Force Aerobatic Team, the Red Arrows! Red 1's just put his smoke on. He's going to gather all 8 aircraft together, and they're going to recover back to Harden Airport, where I'll go and join them. And our engineers are going to turn the jets ready for our flight to our home base at Royal Air Force Scampton, just to the north of Lincoln this evening. If you'd like to find out more about the team, then you can visit our website, which is raf.mod.uk/reds. On Facebook, we're RAF Red Arrows, and on Twitter, we are @RAF Red Arrows.